Okay, now let's see how are we going to read value for a variable. In the previous example, we assign a value to a variable, assign John to a variable name, and we print the value. Now I want to read a value from the user. So how are we going to read a value from user? You have a command called read followed by the name of the variable. Let's say the name of the variable is course, course. Now I want to print it. Okay, so you use the echo command. So you just say the course name is, and now I want to print the value of the variable. So you just say $sign course. There should be a space better. So now, so this is the statement. You are reading a value for a variable using the read command, and echo is to use to print. So here this course will be printed, but when you have a $sign in front of the variable name, so that will have the answer. So now let's try to have Control and X. And it is asking, do you want to save it? I press yes, and the name I press OK. Now I try to execute using the scripting. Now can you see the name is John. This is for the previous echo statement. Now the cursor is blinking. It asks me to type something. So let me type Java. So the name of the course is Java. So the course name is Java. So in this way, you can try to read value from user. Okay. And let's try to have something. For example, here I have a folder in the current directory, lab 3. So what is in lab 3? Sorry. So there is something. Okay, I want to copy the script1.sh inside the lab 3. So this file I want to copy in the lab 3. Okay, and I want to do not here. I told you the commands you can try it in the command line. You can try it from the scripting file. I want to try from the scripting file using the command. Okay, fine. Here, so here I want to copy. So copy is cp. This is the command, and something to something. So script1.sh I want to copy to lab 3. So I don't want to give anything here. I want to have some variable, but the values I will give it in the command line argument. So if you want to do so, command line arguments, you can have the variables like this. So this is $1 means first command line, and $2 means second command line argument. So I just say cp $1 $2, and then let me save it, Control and X, and it asks me, do you want to save? Yes, and the name of the file, it's still the same. Okay, let me clear the content. So I want to copy. Okay, let's see the ls. ls is this, ls and lab 3. So let's see everything so that you will have an idea. Lab 3 does not have script1.sh. Now I want to copy. So using the command line argument, I'm going to give the values, because inside the program, scripting program, I just write cp $1 $2. $1 means first argument, $2 means second argument. So execute the scripting file. Yeah, this is the way. Don't stop like that. This is how to execute the file. Give two arguments. The first argument is the source file. What you want to copy? Script1.sh. Where you want to copy? Lab 3. This is the second argument. Okay, I'm executing the file, and this is for the first command line argument for the CP command. Wherever you use the $1, $2, $3, $4, it goes on like that. So this is the first argument, this is the second argument. Okay, so let's try to see. And because the program still has the reading, so it asks me to enter the value for the course, and it doesn't show anything. Let me see. The current is listing is same. I didn't do anything, and the listing the lab 3, you will see script1.sh. It's now copied. Before you do not have that script1.sh. Now you have the script1.sh. Okay, so whatever command you execute in the command line, you can put it inside the bash scripting. You can call it shell scripting also. Okay, the bash scripting file, and you execute the file. You will have the idea. Okay, here I use the upward arrow to see the previous commands. Can you see here? I press the upward arrow and you see the previous command. Downward arrow and to go back to the next command. Okay, now I'm pressing the downward arrow. There is no more commands. Fine. Okay, sometimes you want to save the history of the commands that you used. Like you press the upward arrow, you see all the history of the commands that you used before. If you want to save it in a file, you just type history followed by a name of the file. So let's say the name of the file is maybe like bb.txt. In between, you need to write the redirection symbol. History, redirection symbol, a name, a text file name. So when you give this statement, this will copy the history of the commands to the text file. You don't see any output, but let's see the listing. You see the bb.txt. It's here, bb.txt. It's all here. So what is the content of bb.txt? Cat bb.txt. Yeah, can you see the content? Whatever command you execute until now, this session, those commands are there. See, executing the script1.sh, etc., etc. If you want to modify, let me clear the screen. If you want to remove some commands from that, you want to change it, you use the nano editor, nano bb.txt. So this one will remove the you can update now because it's a nano editor. You can highlight and you can remove, add something, whatever. So when you want to exit the nano editor, Control and X. Okay, so it came out of the nano editor. Okay.